Okay, this was being thrown out, so I rescued it before it went in the skip. It's not a Netgear switch, you'll see in a second. I've got the power supply ready, I've got everything ready, I've got my tripod ready, my screen, this is my own screen, and this is what we're going to try and get going. Hey, ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. Nerve-wracking. Boom, look at that. I want to have a go at getting this going. I used to work in IT a couple of years ago, and they said that no, we're getting rid of it, it's junk, it's rubbish, we're not going to use it, it's yonks old. I think it's about 10 or 12, maybe more than that, years old. We'll find out because we'll have a look when it fires up in the BIOS. Samsung, two SATA drives, one SSD, one IDE, not IDE, one whatever. Yeah, both SATA anyway. There we go. Told you it's been a long time since I've been in IT. This is going to be interesting to see if it fires up. A couple of processors on board by the look of it. A couple of sticks of memory missing from that one. So, don't know. Might not even work. Might not even do anything. It says on here, please note, mainboard not fully secure due to lack of brass supports. Take care when using. Well, there's no brass supports because it's in a cardboard box. And that's where it's going to stay. Well, we're going to put it on top. Right, let me get all this tidied up, get some power leads connected, and I'll come back to you in a sec. Okay, power supply put to one side. We're going to connect that to the main board first. I took all the wires away, put them all out of the way. I've got, this is the CPU. I'm just trying to think which ones. Looks like we have two of those. One at the back there for this CPU power, and that I believe is it. There's no instructions, there's no booklets. I'm just guessing. Yeah, this is for these are for the fans. I have built a few machines in my time, but I've never built one of these. So, right, so let's start connecting. And if you can, I'm going to put you on a tripod. Alright, these can only go around one way, and you look at the clip there, it'll only go on. There's a little lip here that pops in there like that, nice and tight. Maybe these, a bit of focus needed there, I think. Come on. Anyway, that's that one. Same, those two together. So I bought a set of leads, not bought them from the back. They're all jangled up, so I brought them over the front. These are going to go directly to the hard drives now. Can't go wrong if you look at the end, and that corresponds with the drive. And the smaller one is data. That goes to both drives. Okay, so both drives got power to them now. I'm going to say now, without shadow of a doubt or anything else, this has not been powered up. I have not done anything to this whatsoever. This is as you're seeing it as I've took it out of the box. I don't even know if it works. And it's might be a bit funny on your eyes, so bear with me. So I'm looking for SATA 1 or SATA 0. There's 0, so I presume that's the first drive. And SATA 2, so that's got to be SATA 1 then, isn't it? Sorry, let me just try and... There it is. I couldn't see that. Okay, brilliant. Can only go in one way. SATA 0, so I presume will be the master. And we're looking at the drive. Connect him on that one. And then SATA 1, if it doesn't really matter. Goes to that one. As you can see. Okay. Oops. Video. I have no idea if these fans work. I presume they do. So I'm only going to put a... Oh, I don't fit on that one. I don't fit on that one. There we go. We've only got 2 to go. Oh, we haven't. We've got more there. It's okay. Do we need all 3? I'll tell you what, we'll leave that one for now. Power's next. Ooh, look at that. We have a light. Can you see that? We have a light. Now, I'm presuming that these 2 wires, which I presume are on and off. Alright, shall we? Screen's connected. Screen's on by the look of it. But hold on. So I just panicked for a second, right? Ooh. Wow, wow, wow. We have something. We have lights. There's nothing on the monitor yet though. The fans to come on the processors. And nothing on the screen. Oh, that's a shame. Oh, hold on, we've got some lights going on there. Flickering. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my word. What is it? 1997 to 2008. Media test failed, check cable. Existing Intel boot agent. Media test fail. No. No. You've got to be kidding me. Undoing changes made to your computer. Undoing? I wonder if we plugged the cables in differently and it's reconfiguring it. Can you see that alright? Okay, so it's just rebooted again. Let's see? And things clicking and tick, tick, tick. We just had a double beep. Usually a double beep or a beep on PCs mean power on self-test. I've just plugged in the bloody keyboard I forgot to do. And I'm just plugging in the mouse as well now. Oh, that's found that as well. Boom, one mouse. Okay, let's see what happens. Still going. It looks like Windows 10? Windows, don't even know what Windows it is actually. Put you up a bit higher. Ooh, excuse me. Look what we've got. We've got a screen. We've got a full screen. Look what we got. We got a mouse. Have we got a keyboard? Yes, we have a keyboard. Disk management, network connections, device manager. What have we got here? Computer. ACI 64-bit based. Display adapter. Microsoft. Low resolution. Okay. Software devices. Processors. Oh my God! Is this an octa-core? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Twin, is that right then? So someone in the description, if you want to put leave me whatever you think in the description down below. Is this a twin octa-core processor with Xeon processors? It looks like it. 2.4 gigahertz. I'll tell you what, I'm going to build a box for this. I'm keeping this beauty. Look at that. That's processing power. Wise monitor network. You should have 2 network. Yeah, gigabyte. Fine. That's amazing. Software system services. I'm looking for memory. RAM. No RAM on there, is there? No. I wonder if I dare plug a network cable into it and do an update. Let's have a quick look around first. Let's have a quick play. Let's have a look. So someone's been playing with this. What we got here? What we got? Let's have a look. Diag X. I've heard of that. Windows 10 Pro build. Who's put this on? Xeon 2.4 gigahertz. I don't know. Anybody understand some of this? I'm just looking for RAM. RAM? Page file. No. There's more than that on there. I think I might be reading this. Let's have a look. Keep going down. Not supported. Lost me a little bit. Okay, let's come out of that. Anyway, so conclusion: this bit of kit works, and it's not going in the skip. Good rescue that was. This PC. Let's have a quick look. Properties. Windows. 2 processors. 64-bit operating system. Work group. Installed memory. 40 gig. 40 gigs, and what's on each stick? Can we have a close look? Hold on. Sorry if you find this a bit boring, but let's have a bit of light on the matter. Can you see what they are? Gig. Right. So each stick is 4 gig by the look of it. And you've got a stick missing. Okay. Right, well it works. I think I'm going to make a nice wooden box for this. Give us a thumbs up if you, or a like if you would like to see that put in a box and working beautifully. It looks like we're alright. And we've got a secondary drive as well. I put 2 drives on, didn't I? They're connected. This PC. Oh, we have. There we go. Nothing in that one. Local drive. Just the standard basic stuff. Right, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. And if you give it a thumbs up, I will, and we get enough of them, I will definitely build a box for this. And we'll be keeping it and having a play. Alright, take care. All the best. If you enjoyed as much as I did, woohoo, what a find. Over the moon. Take care. See you in the next one.